Vechain is a blockchain platform designed to improve business processes and supply chain management by focusing on data transparency. At its heart, the project uses blockchain technology to track products from their origin to the final consumer in real time. The network operates with two distinct tokens to separate the cost of using the chain from the market value of the investment. By using sensors and unique identifiers, companies can prove the authenticity of goods and monitor their conditions during shipping. While Bitcoin acts as a digital currency, Vechain is specifically engineered for corporate data and industrial logistical efficiency. This shift toward a verified digital ledger can significantly reduce inefficiencies in global shipping and product verification. Investors often look at these platforms as infrastructure plays rather than just traditional digital assets. Understanding the utility behind a project is key to learning how blockchain impacts the real world. Please like and subscribe for more.